ariko yegera nyuma isubira inyuma gato twagiye
bari kunyereka niyo mpamvu mwana
action
kuziko nike ko
action
akoze director mu magi
kajya muntu
twagarutse mu
action
I've made up my mind. I'm going to one-stop center.
Hey, wait. Come on, baby.
Come on for what?
Just wait. We have to discuss over it.
cut bagijwe mwatangiranye ari mu mufite yaragiye
murakari
Okay.
Gaburaka rwo kuvuga.
kwaje siba
cyane sinasiba pe
twagiye
kajya muntu action
I'm going to one-stop center.
No, calm down, baby.
No.
Just wait.
I'm not.
Listen to me, baby. We have to discuss over this, right?
Discuss about what?
Just wait.
How you forgot to call your wife? How your wife was
Come
raped?
on, baby. Okay, fine.
How your wife might have
Hey,
HIV?
calm down, baby.
No.
I'm so sorry. I made a mistake.
Can you not touch me?
Why
Can you
not?
not
You're my
touch
wife.
me?
Remember that. Hey.
Can
calm
you
down.
not touch
No,
me?
babe. No, I
Don't
can't.
touch me.
Hey, wait for.
Don't touch
Wait, baby. Right? Remember, we love each other. For better, for worse. Yeah? We are in together, right? Just wait. Imagine what will happen to me when everybody knows that you are raped.
What will happen to me?
Yeah? Our family, our children.
Maybe when I have HIV and I can't give birth, what will happen?
No, come on, baby. Let's go down and maybe we're going to find another solution, right? Please.
Like what solution?
Just give me time and think about it, right? Right?
Think about it now and tell me before I go because I'm going.
No, you're not going
You
anywhere.
move your leg.
Hey, I swear to God, if you move an inch from this house, you cease to be my wife.
But you don't even care that your wife was
Care?
raped.
Of course I care about you, baby. You're my wife.
So,
You have to respect your man. Think about me, our family, our future. Huh? Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
cut
aho nanjye ndakatinga
no wahindura imyenda
director Chris mwamubonye abayibereye ku kantu
Taxi no mudeto wa mbere.
unywa amazi
amazi
unywa amazi arimo
amazi
amazi
umwikorezi mwamubonye nawe ko habaye
ni right man
Right man.
iyi nuza ikredit nzayi
Right man no mu cyaro yikorera imivunde kwikorera itara ntibyamunanira.
nawe tubwira ubwo
Manake ku mazi sha.
fata nabi amazi mwana wanjye
Saudi man cyari byamucanze.
ubwo yifate